Hello there. How does making $500 or making $180,000 a year sound to you? Well, this is Econ and brought to your screen by Official Guru TV. And as usual, we talk about everything on entrepreneurship, lifestyle, and financial pathways. Today promises to be interesting. And as usual, I'm your host. Just in case you're just joining us, my name is Theophilus Ogbayegbe. Remember to turn on the subscribe button if you find whatever tip or whatever guideline I'll be giving you throughout the course of this video. Remember to hit the like button and also share and subscribe so that we'll be able to pass this information to a larger audience. Well, today we're going to be talking about how you can make $500 and also $180 in a year just by giving us what? Your pool. Yes, your pool. Something that you consider a waste is now a means of making money. So what are you waiting for? I know what is going through your mind. You're actually wondering, why do they need my pool? And why are they going to be paying me that whopping sum of $500 for my pool? How important my pool is. The pool I have been giving out for all these years, and now you come all of a sudden to say you need my pool. I want to give you $500, and in the long run I'm going to give you $180,000. Anyways, if you're from Africa watching this, I know what might be going through your mind, that they actually need this for a diabolical purpose, but this is off it. This particular firm and the website I'll be showing you, you have all the information and whatever thing they need your pool for. But first thing first, you have to be physically fit. You need to have a good health routine for them to be able to take you in, because you are going to have to pass their survey test. They're going to have an interview with you so that all these things to see that you meet their requirements. But please, this is a disclaimer. I am not associated with them. I just make a research and I found this very helpful, and that is why I'm putting it out to anyone who is interested in making a means of income from this. Think of how $500 is going to help you out, and think about how $180 is going to help you out, and also think about people you are going to be helping with your pool, right? So anyways, not to waste much of my time and your time, I'll be showing you on my screen how you can actually do this. I'll be showing you guidelines on how you can pass through and how you can get qualified to earn $500. So what are you waiting for? Follow me. Congratulations if you've made it to this point. This video, I encourage you to watch it to the end. Now, this place says make money, save lives. Become a stool donor for FMT. That is their research company name, right? So I don't want to waste much time on this step-to-step tutorial on how to become a donor. So we're going to be reading this. It says, become a stool donor. You have to complete 5 steps. Number 1, complete the screening questionnaire. Number 2, complete verification of stool type and physical fitness. Number 3, a video interview. So after you complete all these things, they are going to have a video interview with you. And the next step after that, you proceed to a lab where you are going to be tested. Your stool and your blood will be tested, right? And all these things will be paid by what? By us or the recipient. So the research lab will either pay for it, or those who need it will pay for it. So now the part number 5 says get paid $500 per stool. If you are having a bold movement every day, it can total $180,000 per year. So I think you can break this record for an individual who stool a lot. So you can make yourself handy by actually keen to this offer, right? It says most recipients will probably be ordering stool via dry ice shipping. This cost of which will be covered by them. So people will also be needing your stool, right?
So this is the process at which they are going to deliver your stool to them in any part of the world they are, and it will be covered by them. It says donors are prepaid for everything. We receive the order and payments from the recipient, then passes it on to the donor. The donor then prepares it and ships it out. Right? So everything you are doing will be paid for even before you are to start. So not to fret, you have your money on ground. So if you are going to stool 3 times a day, times that is, you are making in a day, you are making a whopping sum of $1,500 a day. And now, this might actually raise an eyebrow. You might say, if my face is being showed that, okay, I'm the one donating this tool and everything because of that. So they have this non-disclosure policy, which says by default, we also keep donors completely anonymous from the recipients in order to maintain your privacy. So your privacy is a priority. They are not going to disclose your privacy. No one is going to know you are the one that is your stool they want to use, and whoever needs that um, particular stool, that is the recipient, will not know that it is coming from this kind of person. So now they have our mission and why you should sign up to be a stool donor. They have so many reasons, right? Um, the major one is chronic disease, right? So if you notice today, most of us are getting sick, and this is because of what we get to eat and so much more. So scientists have been looking for ways in which they can restore good health to everybody. So one way is they are using is through our waste product, which is our stool. So you can read more about their mission. Will you be a part of the solution? So these are what you can click this link when you get to this website. I think this link to be able to know more about it, right? And the solutions your stool will be providing, right? You can also watch the video. So this is the one-on-one interview they're going to be having with you. And now this is a basic one I don't want us to skip. It says, what are the basics to donor qualifications? Looking at this now, it says donor must be in exceptional physical and mental health. Ideally, young, ideally what? Top young athletes, right? So if you are within age 18 to 30, this offer is for you. So anywhere you're watching this around the world, you can key into this, right? They have all the requirements stated on their website. Now, the question might now be, what is this particular website I am talking about, right? What is this website I am talking about? Look at this place. It says, ready to take the first step. This is a questionnaire. If you click here, it takes you to the questionnaire, which is a Google form they have formulated out to get information from you, right? So now you might be wondering, what is the name of this website? If you watch this video to the end, congratulations, because the name of this website is called humanmicrorobe.org/donor. So the name of the website is what? Human what? Microrobe.
You can make $500 and $180,000 a year by just giving your pool. Actually, you can check this out and also implement all the step-by-step guide that you've watched in the video. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Let us know what you think about today's edition. You can also let us know what we can discuss in our next edition. Please do well to always watch, do well to always like, do well to always share, and also for new ones among you that you're just seeing this for the first time, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can be able to get notified when we post videos like this. Well, till we come your way next time, this is still E-Corner and I'm still your host, Theophilus Obaigwe. Like I do say, always be productive.